Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and I'm Ananya. This is Soulful Creation 27. Before we start, welcome to another vlog by the way. And before we start with our orders, like I said in the previous vlog, I was cleaning my space, working space, and some boxes in which I had some stuff. So I found this unmade bracelet which I was working on, and then I realized, I talked about this in one of my vlogs, that the customer ordered the same pattern with different colors. Good thing was I realized that I had to make a different color one, so I left this and then naturally forgot about it. Anyway, so we'll be finishing this first. Keep it aside. Also, I opened some of my return packages which were unclaimed and they were being stacked up for quite some time. So I opened them. Some of the bracelets are pride flag bracelets, some of them are Halloween. One order had 2 and another one had 1, so now I have 3 Halloween themed bracelet ready to go. So if you want, you can place an order and it will be packed the next day. Apart from that, let's first finish this. 1/3 done, and finish this, and then we'll be moving on to making and starting our orders. Hey guys, so our work in progress bracelet, our whip is done, and this is how it's looking. Now we'll be moving on to our orders. One order is a domestic order and it has 3 bracelets, and one is a custom order on my Etsy shop which is a custom word bracelet. So first I'll do the custom bracelet and then we'll move on to the normal geometric patterns, which are those 3 bracelets. So let's get into working. Hey guys, so we are done with our Etsy order, which was a custom word order, and you are seeing it in reverse order. So I said order thrice in the near 30 seconds. Anyway, this is the custom word bracelet, and apart from this we made another bracelet which was a whip, and this is how it is. Also, these were the 2 bracelets we did in this vlog, and in the morning I was busy cleaning my workspace, and also I unpacked all the returned orders which were unclaimed or refunded. So this is one of the cow bracelets which came back, and there are 2 pride flag bracelets, as well as, actually there are more. These are Pride Progress bracelets, and I have 3 other Pride Flag bracelets all. So if anybody orders these, it will be ready. I have one of the Halloween bracelets packed and other 2 as well, which was in another order. Could not send it back, could not send it or deliver it due to the US tariff because we weren't shipping and everything. So this was refunded. Here this is. And also in my previous vlog I made this. This is like a sibling to this one, as you can see. The upper one is much more bright and the lower one is a little pale shade but still pop with colors. It's also available as a set on my website as well as my Etsy shop. All these bracelets are available, and this was somewhat of a productive vlog because since I'm vlogging daily, we did 1.5 bracelets. We did half a bracelet on the first vlog. We completed the first bracelet in the second vlog, started with our orders. Also, we did not start with our order. I wanted to, but we ended the vlog, and now in the third vlog, we completed 2 bracelets. So progress. Hopefully, I will complete my next order, which has 3 bracelets in the next vlog. Definitely, I'll try. This was a productive vlog. So this is it for this vlog, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching it. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for future vlogs, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.